The state of Oregon is reconsidering its 2020 decision to decriminalize the possession of small amounts of illicit drugs. Under bouts of public pressure to reverse Measure 110 amid a surge of overdose deaths, state lawmakers are gearing up to revote on recriminalization.
The measure essentially decriminalized hard drugs and has led to a massive increase in opioid deaths, increase in drug use, an increase in open-air drug use, and I think it also has led to even more homelessness than we had before.
What Measure 110 was about and still is about is making sure that we are moving from a criminal justice perspective to a health approach perspective. And that really means at the core that we aren't treating people as criminals and punishing them, but we're treating them as patients and trying to get them care.
Rather than arresting drug users, police, under Measure 110, must issue $100 citations along with the number for an addiction treatment hotline. Though the hotline will help users dismiss the citation, they will face no legal ramifications if they do not take action. Currently, only 4% of people served with citations actually call the hotline.
Fentanyl came on the scene at the same time that decriminalization happened, and then we saw an explosion in public drug use downtown, and unfortunately that brought other issues into downtown, such as gun violence and other crime.
And to combat the opioid crisis, Democrats are pushing to make small-scale drug possession a low-level misdemeanor, punishable by up to 30 days in jail, with the opportunity to seek treatment instead of serving time.
I'm pretty heartbroken over the changes that they're making. I think they're unnecessary. They are extremely harmful and costly, and it's really not going to change it's not going to solve the problem they're trying to solve.
We want people to seek and get treatment, but if they're not going to seek it, we certainly don't want them on the streets creating chaos to themselves and to the public through the rampant crime that is happening here on our streets. And so to me, it's important that we get this policy right, and what's currently been proposed just doesn't go far enough.
All summer long, we were right out in the open, and you didn't have to be paranoid anymore. You didn't have to worry about the cops. And I mean, we were just sitting out, it was just like smoking cigarettes. I mean, you just did it, and you didn't really worry about it. Well, now, and I knew this was coming, they're cracking back down. They're wanting to make it illegal.
I'm surprised it took this long for them to pull that card back, honestly. I don't know why, because it really wasn't any different. It really wasn't. I think that they're doing that for the upper class people to make them feel, oh, things are going to get better. It's going to be cleaned up, it's going to whatever, but really watch as something, the stronger drug gets flooded out.